Every day, technology pushes forward.
Cloned animals and products from clones, like milk, are probably safe to eat.
Every night, Tech Live keeps you on top of it all.
9 out of 10 companies say their computer systems have been hacked this year.
Tech Live covers the technology lifestyle and delivers the big stories you need to know and won't see anywhere else.
Well, the technology party continues here at Comdex. Federal agencies are looking at that very issue.
The experts at Tech TV keep you on top of the ever-changing world of high tech with the latest scientific breakthroughs, emerging trends, breaking news, and the stars and stunts of Hollywood movie magic.
Unbelievable stuff.
If it's new, cool, or going to change your world, you'll see it first on Tech Live.
We're going to go behind the scenes at Dean Kamen's highly secretive research company.
Tech Live, weeknights at 8, 7 Central, only on Tech TV.